Introduce short overview with pictures or video. This is video introduce about Danni's Juke Joint Comfort Food Cookbook, Modern Day Recipes, Ole Skool Flavas. Short overview include: Danni Rose grew up eating real Southern home cooking surrounded by family, friends, and community at church potlucks and at her daddy's juke joint, Haywood's Place. These memories inspire the food she shares today with her millions of fans online and in the pages of this book, like cheddar pancakes with barbecue pulled pork, Daddy's fried cheese grits, Cajun deviled eggs, Jack and Pepsi slushies, spatchcocked whole fried chicken, Ole Skool mac and cheese, pot liquor greens, church lady candied apples. Every recipe is made for home cooks and packed with big, bold, and as Danni would say, sopped up flavor. With origin stories, practical tips, irresistible photos, and more. Danni takes you inside the culture of juke joints, word-of-mouth hangouts where folks gathered to drink, eat, dance, gossip, and have a good time, as well as family cookouts, fish fries, social savings clubs, and more. Every page overflows with Danni's larger-than-life personality and love of good home cooking. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.